Hi guys, today with Lumiappaday we're going to look at an app called Free Ringtones, which is just use it to download more custom ringtones onto your Windows Phone because as obviously Windows Phone only has a selected few amount of ringtones and you can't set a song from your music library as your ringtone as you would in Symbian or some other OSs. So you have just some hot ringtones, which are the latest ringtones, and let's just look at featured. You have most downloaded, featured, and over here you have the categories. So let's just take a look at how it is. Let's see. You have the Kill Bill whistle, which is with the whistle song from Nurse Lady, I think. It's just. So you can click on the headphone button to listen to the track, and you click on the download button to download it. So you can see the download started and it's complete. Now that's the downloading. If you want to set it, you go to My Downloads and you'll find your latest downloads and you click the save button. If you're playing music on the device while it's saving, the ringtone background music will be paused because I think it has something to do with how the ringtone is transferred to the device. It's recorded internally or something. I'm not exactly sure. So Kill Bill whistle. And you have an option to make that your ringtone immediately, but I'm not going to select that option. Ringtone save. So let's just look at the. Sorry. Let's go to settings, ringtones, and up here on the top under custom, you'll find the ringtones you just downloaded from this app. So let's just take a look at the app as well. Again, it has a nice search function. If you want to search for a specific track or song even, it actually has a lot of things present. I just searched for House and I was looking for the theme song for the show House. So, I'm sorry, this one on top. And it found it, and there's a lot of other ones, songs and tracks and other stuff. So let's see if we can find any Nokia ringtones or anything related to Nokia. Nokia memories, Nokia. No idea what that is, but so you have a lot of ringtones to select from. You can search for them, or you can look under They're also sorted by category. You have alternative, blue, Bollywood, gospel, classical, comedy, electric, R&B, reggae, rock. So you have a lot of options to find from, lots of tracks to choose from, and it's Free Ringtones is a free app in the marketplace. So highly recommended if you actually just want anything to change your ringtone other than the classic ringtones. News and politics. I wonder why Godfather is under news and politics. Let's see that one. Just the classification of ringtones is a bit iffy. There isn't. I have no idea how they're classified, but they don't seem to follow the correct classification. Mission Impossible tone. So like we said, if you want to listen to it, click the headphones, click the download button. You'll find it in Downloader, and then in My Downloads you can save it and set it as your ringtone directly. It's free ringtones. Let's just take a look at it in the marketplace. Here we go. Free ringtones. Free and legal ringtone downloader for Windows Phone. 7,000 of high quality and unique ringtones are available for you free. So, download it yourselves. Thank you.